Welcome to Dialogue 31.
Let us continue this conversation in the living room. Regular verbs, in the past, are easy to write. Don't fall into the trap of phonetics. In English, there are 3 ways to pronounce the ed at the end of a regular verb in the past tense. Firstly, you have the id sound, if the last letter of the word is spelled with d or t. The ed is pronounced as a separate syllable with an id sound. For example, hidden bid, wanted, folded, waited, needed. They sound the same as did. Then you have the t sound, if the last consonant of the word is voiceless, then the ed is pronounced as a t. Talked. The ed sounds like t. Parked, hissed, helped. Worked, not work. Ed. Then you have the d sound. If the last letter of the words ends in a voiced consonant, then the ed is pronounced like a d, without creating another syllable: played, opened, closed, lived. English is like music. Learn the melody. If it sounds right, it is right. A false note is easy to detect.
It's nice to have a day off work.